Hi, my name is Lorenzo from ERP Bridge, and today I will show you how easy it is to synchronize data from SAP Business One and HubSpot. So, as you can see here in HubSpot, I have my empty list of companies and my empty list of deals. And here in ERP Bridge, I have my installation with two operations pre-configured. That one is from companies, one is from deals, one bring business partners to companies in HubSpot, and the other one says opportunities as deals. So let's go on SAP real quick. As you can see here, that's an opportunity report that show a list of opportunities with the first one is named Great Opportunity. So let's come back in ERP Bridge and let's just click Sync Now. Yes, confirm. Okay, the job is started. So let's go here in HubSpot. So the first operation is company. So let's wait a couple of seconds and just refresh the list, and we will see the first companies coming here in HubSpot. Here we go. The first batch is here, and as the refresh continue, there will appear more companies, and after the companies we will see even the opportunities in deals. So let's just wait some seconds because there are plenty of companies. Okay, so here there are deals here, so let's wait. There are 26 in total on business one. There are 68 deals, I mean business opportunities. So let's wait to the synchronization finish. And let's search for the great opportunity that we are synchronizing. Here we are. So here it is, the great opportunity that where I show you before here in SAP Business One. So let's do a real quick dive into it. So as you can see, we have the amount, we have the create date, and here in the quick view we can see even the SAP closing probability that is 60%, as well as the opportunity we just seen in SAP Business One. So here's the proof that ERP Bridge work fine even with SAP Business One native APIs, and have a great time.